Some of the students that I have actually taught in the past few years, every once in a while you'll meet one that knows how to hide a column. And then I ask them, okay, but what do you do after that? And they just tell me, well, what do you mean, what do I do after that? I said, let me just tell you, watch. Let's say that I wanted to hide the list price of this worksheet. So what do? I right click and I click on hide. And I say, wow, that's great. That's what I did. You see, I didn't want anybody to see the list price. I said, okay, but now think about it. If you come back here and someone opens this up, I don't care if you saved it like that. You know, let's say that you did File, Save. So it's saved with it hidden. Now watch this. Remember, obviously, anyone that is astute enough, you know, can decipher if it has CE, the D column is hidden. So you think you're protected and they can't see the list price? Well, all you have to do is just like you would do to unhide it. They also can do the same thing. So you highlight both of them, right click, unhide. And remember, you saved it hidden. But here is the key. If you save any of your hidden columns or rows, they can easily be unhidden, should we say. So what would you think that you'd have to do? If I right click, hide, what would be the next thing that would, so to speak, protect me against them opening up that column that I hid? So what would you think you'd do? You know, you'd go to review and you'd say protect sheet. You click on it and you make up a password and remember it, and when you do it, it's going to ask you twice, because if you think that you typed a certain password and it wasn't really that password, you were typing so fast, it will come back and tell you, oh, they don't match. So just remember, that's why it asks you twice. Now that this worksheet is protected and you see C to E and you highlight both of them and you right click, what happens? Anytime you see an option is grayed out, that means you cannot use it. So now they can't press on unhide. You see the difference? If you hide a column or a row on your worksheet and you don't protect it, you didn't do anything. And there's people that have told me in the classes that, oh my God, I've been doing that for a number of years. You mean the vendor can? Yes, they can open it up, especially if you're trying to make a bid and your price with the commission added into it is the column that you hid. They'll just unhide it. Now, granted, so many people don't realize that they can unhide it. So now you see, you must protect your worksheet if you have sensitive data that you have hidden. The key word is hidden. You truly now have it hidden. And yes, you know, you can unhide it by merely unprotecting the sheet. You hit unprotect, type in the password that surely you didn't forget, and then highlight them right click. Now it's available. You see the difference? Protection on that worksheet is the only way that you will, should we say, protect that data. Thank you.